When done right, window installation can dramatically improve the energy efficiency, comfort, and value of your tailor-made home. However, poor installation can lead to drafts, leaks, and even long-term structural issues. Whether you're replacing old windows or upgrading to energy-efficient ones, it's important to know what pitfalls to avoid. Let's dive into some of the most common window installation mistakes homeowners in tailor make, and how to sidestep them. Not checking local building code. Every region, including tailor-made, has specific building codes related to window size, placement, safety, and egress. Ignoring these rules can lead to failed inspections, legal troubles, or having to redo the installation entirely. Avoid it. Work with a licensed contractor who's familiar with tailor's local codes and regulations. Always pull permits where required. Improper measurement. A common DIY mistake is failing to measure windows properly. Even being off by a fraction of an inch can result in a poor fit, causing drafts and water infiltration. In older tailor homes with shifting foundations, this mistake becomes even more common. Avoid it. Take 3 measurements for height and width, top, middle, bottom for width and left, center, right for height, and use the smallest one. Leave it to professionals when unsure. Skipping the inspection of the window opening. Old, rotted wood or uneven openings are often ignored during replacement. Installing a new window over a compromised frame can lead to long-term damage and wasted money. Avoid it. Always inspect the window frame and surrounding wall before installation. Replace rotted wood, fill gaps, and make sure the opening is level and square. Not leveling and shimming correctly. Many homeowners, and even some contractors, rush through the leveling and shimming process. If a window isn't level, it may not operate correctly, and seals may fail prematurely. Avoid it. Ensure the window is square and plumb. Use shims to even out the frame and double-check before sealing or nailing. Poor sealing and insulation. In Michigan's varied climate, especially with cold winters in tailor, sealing is vital. Gaps around the window can cause heat loss, moisture penetration, and mold growth. Avoid it. Use high-quality insulation, like low-expanding foam, and proper caulking to ensure an airtight seal. Avoid over-foaming, which can warp the frame. Incorrect flashing installation. Flashing directs water away from the window. Poor or missing flashing is one of the top causes of water damage and mold around windows. Avoid it. Always install flashing tape or material according to the window manufacturer's guidelines. Start from the bottom up, layering each piece like shingles to ensure proper water drainage. Choosing the wrong window for your home. Not all windows are suitable for every home. In tailor, you'll need to consider both aesthetics and functionality, especially regarding insulation, UV protection, and frame materials that handle Michigan weather. Avoid it. Select windows rated for northern climates. Double or triple pane glass with low E coatings and argon gas fills can dramatically increase energy efficiency. DIY without proper skills. While DIY projects can save money, window installation isn't always the best candidate. Small mistakes can lead to costly consequences, particularly when it comes to waterproofing and structural integrity. Avoid it. If you're not experienced, hire a professional window installer and tailor who can guarantee their work. It may cost more upfront, but it will save you money and headaches in the long run. Final thoughts. Installing new windows in your Taylor MI home is a valuable investment, but only when done correctly. From precise measurements and proper insulation to compliance with local codes and the right product choices, there's a lot to get right. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures better energy efficiency, longer-lasting windows, and peace of mind for years to come. If you're planning a window upgrade, make sure you work with a reputable local contractor who understands Taylor's homes and Michigan's climate. It's the best way to protect your home and your wallet.